That's right, I heard the story over and over again. Gee, it's swell to finally meet his other friends. That's right, I heard the story, don't really like how it ends. Gee, it's swell to finally meet his other friends. What did he say about me? What did he say? What did you do without me? What did you do? Did you play games without me? What did you play? Did you think all this time that I wouldn't find out about you? Oh, that's right, I heard the story over and over again. Gee, it's swell to finally meet his other friend.
She's running circles around us.
I'm rusty. Give me a break.
It really is her. But she can't be serious. You know her, Pearl? Can you tell us who she is?
Who am I? Who am I? What are you even saying? I'm the loser of the game you didn't know you were playing. Let's play another game. This time I get to win. Life's on the line. Winner takes all.